So, welcome to SolidCAM World. My name is Michael. I'm product manager and CPO of SolidCAM. And I want to show you today what we are thinking to make in the future, what is our plans, and which projects we're going to implement. Okay. So, is a welcome message. Okay, so let's skip to the second slide. Let's talk about what is SolidCAM. So first, our first principle in SolidCAM is to stay flexible. We can change everything in one moment and change it back in the second moment. It gives us a power to be connected to market and to stay updated about everything. So SolidCAM is most flexible company what I've seen, and we change things fast and not afraid from changes. Of course, we always align to the market. We are reading market, we are investigated and trying to be in a good shape on it. Okay. And one of the major things in SolidCAM is a professional expertise. All our employers, I'm not talking only about technical teams, also development team, QA team, product management team, are high-level specialists in CAM. Almost everybody worked in workshops and know how to do it, know how to live with CAM systems, know the machining. And of course, we believe in collaboration. Have to talk with everybody. We are talking our teams, we're talking with external teams, and sharing ideas, and it's what's bringing our software forward. And okay, we are talking about customer-centric ideas, but in development, I call it customer driving, because who is driving our development is a customer. He tells us what to do and how to do. We want to ask him more than ask and get his data directly from the customer. So, when we're trying to build a vision for the next versions, we're talking about several directions and trying to keep this direction in our development. So first, automation. We develop a lot of automation. Sometimes it's drag and drop. Sometimes it's automation in whole recognition in other systems. We are trying to be universal. We want to support by single product any kind of machines. Okay, we go into industry digitalization, so we are integrating with Simco. We are using other partner solutions to be one solution with all digital data passed from place to place. And of course, one of the principles is just to make everything multi-machine, multi-part, everything one solution, to be in one software, do everything, to manage all your workshop. Okay, so what's our main projects for next versions? What you will see not on this SolidCAM World and the next one, or maybe after next. So first one is SolidCAM Assembly. SolidCAM Assembly is a big project that will allow in one SolidCAM project manage several machines and several CAM parts, different. And I think it's one of the biggest developments what we are doing and very powerful. iTurning. iTurning project is similar to iMachining idea, but applied on turning toolpaths, physics-based calculations of toolpaths. I will show you after it how it looks like. Okay. Sequence optimization. Sequence optimization is, we changed the name of SolidCAM channel synchronization to sequence manager. So our next projects will be to make this synchronization automatically to get minimum time on the machine. And of course, we are going to heavy industry, so U-axis, collinear axis machine, we are already on a beta stage of this development, so stay tuned. If you have customers who use this machine, you can contact us where we are. Some machines we already can support, some machines requires some development, so we are on it. And of course, SolidCAM simulation. SolidCAM simulation is one of the beautiful products what we have last years, and we want to replace any other simulation by one single, powerful, fast, and precise simulation. Today we have about 7 different, okay? So we want one good. Okay. So what is SolidCAM assembly? You can see here the country structure on the right side, and you immediately recognize the countries looks different. We have several machines in one country, we have several parts in one country. It means you will machine everything in one single project. Okay. iTurning. We are running this project in 2 places. One is the hardware place is US, and we have this nice house machine, and you recognize on the turret this nice holder with special equipment what can measure forces very precisely. We can read the forces in real time and synchronize it with the G-code what we get as an output, even with simulation what we are running on in SolidCAM new simulation. And by this development, we can read forces of the cutting and improve our toolpath to get this graph linear. And this is what you see here on the right side is a graph of the forces in XYZ direction. And the target of this project to get it constant all the time. Okay. Once it will be constant, you can increase fits, make it faster, increase the tool life. Part clones. So part clones, I will say, is a kind of advanced transformation of part. So you can see on the right side on the picture, a fixture what's hold 4 parts, and we can machine it in one single process. For now, a part clones is limited for 1 part what can be multiplied, okay? But in the future, of course, it will be several different parts can be mounted on the machine and machine it in one single process. Okay. I said sequence optimization. So you see here our sequence manager on the of the SolidCAM, and today to get the better machining time, you have to play with it and place your operations to save the tool change time. We're going to make it automatically, so user will press a button and get the minimum machining time without changing the technology. Okay. U-axis and collinear machines, it's a big part of CNC industry. So I think most of you are familiar with this, okay? We are started to develop it several years ago, and now we are running a beta. We're already in the post-processor stage. Some features still missing. Some machines are fully support, some machines are partly support. So I guess in a short time, we will declare about it. It's fully supported by SolidCAM. And it's a different part of CNC industry, huge part, where is no CAM system is supported. So if you come with solution, you don't have competitors. Okay. And of course, SolidCAM simulation, everybody using it. If you use it, you know it's fast, it's precise, it's beautiful. A lot of nice options, but not too much, easy to use. And we're going to improve it in the future to make it the toolpath more precise and add all the options. And this simulation going to replace all other simulation, except of machine simulator, of course. Okay? Because we want to develop something one product and not be spread it on 10 different simulations, and at the end nothing works perfectly. Yeah. Okay, it was short because of the coffee break. Thank you very much.